In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do text-to-speech in CapCut PC. If you want to turn typed text on your screen into a clean, professional-sounding voiceover in just a few clicks, CapCut makes the process very simple. This is a great option if you do not want to record your own voice, or if you want a fast way to create narration directly inside your editing project. To begin, look down at your timeline and find the orange text block that contains the words you want CapCut to speak. Click once directly on that text clip. As soon as it's selected, you should see a white border appear around the block. That border is important because it confirms that CapCut is now focused on the correct text layer and is ready for you to adjust its settings. Once the text clip is selected, move up to the top right area of the screen where the Properties panel is located. In that workspace, click on the Main Text tab. After that, look for the submenu labeled Text-to-Speech and click it. This section is where CapCut gives you access to its built-in library of automated voices. If you do not see the voice options right away, just make sure the correct text clip is still selected on the timeline because the text-to-speech tools depend on that active selection. Now it is time to choose the voice that will read your text aloud. Scroll through the available voice tiles and listen for the style that best matches your video. Some voices sound brighter and more upbeat, while others are better suited for tutorials, explainers, or more neutral narration. You can click on a voice tile once to preview how it sounds before making your final choice. Take a moment here, because the right voice can make your video feel much more polished and easier for viewers to follow. After you find the voice profile you want to use, move your cursor down to the bottom of that panel and click the blue Start Reading button. CapCut will then process the selected text and automatically generate a spoken audio version for you. In just a moment, a brand new blue audio track will appear directly underneath your clip in the timeline. That new audio layer is your text-to-speech narration, created instantly from the text you typed, and that's it. With just a selected text block, the text-to-speech panel, a voice choice, and one click on Start Reading, you can create voiceover audio quickly and efficiently inside CapCut on PC.